So, ladies and gentlemen, we talk about platina now, and as you all very well know, that it is one of the noble metals. Now, noble metals are the metals which it means that only rich people could afford it. As I told you last time, even cycle was a luxury. Person having a cycle in the house was a big luxury. That's why that they didn't have money. The cost of living was too less. The standard of living was also lesser. Those days, to have a metal like silver or gold also was a great thing. And platinum, which is more expensive than the gold, was a really nobleman's job. I mean, it could be afforded only by noblemen. It couldn't be afforded by something else, someone else. To even today, platinum is supposed to be a very precious metal. Now, these metals have, I don't know how they have an affinity for the people, very few people. Not everyone is affected by the symptoms of platina, or the platina lady, what we call. Not many girl or the girls or ladies are affected by the platina symptoms. But whenever they are affected, we normally see it's quite different kind of symptoms. It is they are totally strange symptoms because platina, as I told you, it is not a commonly uh, affecting remedy like bryonia, nux vomica, arsenic album. These are very commonly used remedies. Platina is very rarely used remedy because the patients are very rare. Now they say that platina lady is having great superiority complex. Now what is the superiority complex? We have learned it through the text that he has got a superiority complex. Superiority complex bole to she feels she is superior to all the other living beings. She looks down on the others. She looks down on others. She is very obstinate. She is very obstinate in her own convictions. If she thinks this has to be done, it has to be done. I mean, she can insult anyone on the floor. She can insult anyone on the floor, saying that well, she can abuse anyone. She can insult anyone. She can tell him, "Oh, shut up! You don't know anything. You don't have any brains." Whatever it is. I mean, this type of a performance. I mean, this type of a behavior she has. So she looks down on others. She is a typical, what we say, a tomboy in a group. Because ladies, as you well know, they're fond of growing their hair, they're fond of makeup, they're fond of different dresses. There's nothing wrong in it. I mean, that species is supposed to be a very delicate species. So I would say that it is nice. एखाद्या बाईनं स्वतःला नटवलं सजवलं तर आम्हाला बरं वाटतं डोळ्याला बघायला. Nothing wrong in it. But here she will cut her hair like a boy. She's a tomboy. She will wear boys' clothes. She won't play with the girls of the same age. She would like to stay with the boys. She will ride a motorbike, a sports bike. He says, well, ये सब जब लड़कियां सब दूसरे और लड़कियां करते हैं थर्ड क्लास है. I am first class. I am outstanding. Outstanding, she stands out of the group. The best way to observe a platina is whenever a group of girls is walking in the campus, only one girl is walking in front of them alone. She'll walk alone with a great confidence in her because that is superiority complex. She feels, rest of them, they are ordinary girls. They are dressing like girls. They are behaving like girls. But I am not. I am something different. I can't be like other girls. So this platinas, from their behavior itself, you can make out that there's a platina among the group who always she would like to sit alone in the class, or whenever she is traveling, she will like to take the whole seat to herself. She doesn't want anyone to come and sit next to her because she looks down on others. ती दुसऱ्यांना खाली बघते. एकदम सगळी कचरा आहे. जगात सगळी कचरा भरलेली आहे आणि मी एकटीच तेवढी आउटस्टँडिंग आहे. मी सगळ्यात त्या सगळ्यांपेक्षा भारी आहे. असं तिच्या मनात एक फिक्स्ड आयडिया इन हर माइंड and she looks down on others. Now, how much is this superiority complex goes on? Well, first and the foremost thing is she normally doesn't mix up with the company. Now, these are the whims and fancies of a noble metal. Like when we talked about Auromet, I told you he takes great fascination in a suicide. He fascinates in suicide or he dwells on suicide. So these are all varied symptoms of noble metals. Noble metals have their symptoms are also different, and their behavioral pattern is also entirely different from the common pattern. It is not the common pattern, but it's a different behavioral pattern. And you will be surprised that why does a platina doesn't behave? Uh, she is not one of the group. She will be never be one of the group. If the boys picnic is going on, for example, boys are stacks, they are going on. My फक्त मुलं मुलं जाणार असली, you know, I don't mind joining you. Come on, I'll come with you. I'll come with you. Going on a motorbike? Okay, I'll take my motorbike. So that's the typical behavior of a platina woman. And here she stands out from the rest of the crowd, rest of the crowd of the ladies, because ladies they are very fond of sitting together, eating their dabba together, discussing their problems together. But here is a platina who will like to be left alone. She likes to be alone, and she likes to, because she feels that she is much above. The superiority complex is this. She is much above. She feels if she calls someone, hello, come here. So she knows she's an authority. She wants that person to listen to her because she has got having a great superiority complex. So because of the superiority complex, she is away from the regular crowd. I won't call it maddening crowd, but it's away from the regular crowd of the girls or the ladies whenever they are. How superior is she? Now I'll give you one example of the platinum superiority complex. Once, when I was working in Mumbai, I had one actress who used to come to me, and she used to say that every week or once in a month, a month, once in a month, few days she had to go out for outdoor shooting. So I practiced in Mumbai for 7 years, and that time she had to go out for shooting for several days. She says in those several days, not even once, not even once did she go and use the washroom. I'm not talking about the urinal, but the washroom. Well, she used to have constipation. Now, initially I didn't understand why whenever she was out of her house, she was constipated. Because normally, stools is a common factor. It's a discharge. It's a natural discharge. Some people are fond of going twice, some people are fond of going once, whatever it is. But here, she could she could hold a stool for a couple of days. And whenever she used to come home, and she used to pass her stools. So that time, I realized that she always used to talk, all rot about other actors and actresses. उसमें क्या है, उसको क्या एक्टिंग आती है, ये क्या है, इसका बाप डायरेक्टर है इसलिए इसको एक्टर बनाया है, इसको डायलॉग डिलीवरी नहीं है, इसको डांसिंग स्टाइल ही नहीं है. So she had all the bloody, I mean, criticism on all other actors because she thought that she was being deprived of her fair share. She thought that she was a very good actress and she was deprived of her fair share because she didn't have any godfather in the acting career, and though she was a much better actor. This is superiority complex. And from the talk, I could make out that she realized that rest of the sandas or rest of the latrines were third class. Only her own bedroom latrine was first class. So that superiority complex, as I told you, mind controls the whole body, is a is a very strong symptom of the nature where mind controls the body, because they say some people are bleeding to death but still they have got will to fight. So this is because mind is taken over. Equally here, mind controls, like in argentum nitricum, mind mind controls the rectum, because there is an anxiety felt in the rectum. There's anxiety felt in the rectum during exams. Whenever the exams are approaching, he feels like he has loose motions because anxiety felt in the rectum. Here, Platina, because of the superiority complex, well, she just used to go become constipated, and it is known as traveler's constipation. Latina, it is known as traveler's constipation, but it has got nothing to do with traveling, I feel. It is something to do with the brain. When the brain registers something, well, this is not a proper place to shit. This is not a proper place to pass stools. Well, they can just keep on holding. They keep on holding that. I mean, that mind is continuously ordering the rectum. Well, don't open up, and it is known as traveler's constipation. This is because of superiority complex of platina. Now, second thing which I observed in platina is when a woman, now there's something called vaginismus in platina. Now, there's a big difference between sepia and platina, especially in the female genitals. Sepia has got aversion for sex because of dryness of the vagina, and the sex is not a pleasure but a pain. That's why she avoids sex. Ignatia has got aversion for sex because there is exactly a contradictory symptom. She does not enjoy sex. She does not enjoy sex. Sexual encounter is not enjoyable in Ignatia. Whereas sepia has got dryness of the vagina. It is sex is not a pleasure but a pain. In platina, now here also the superiority complex comes in. They say vaginismus. What is vaginismus? Vaginismus, the direct meaning of vaginismus is painful spasmodic contraction of the vaginal muscles, the labia majora and labia minora. Painful spasmodic contraction of the vaginal muscles. The vaginal muscles, they go into painful contraction. Now, why this happens? Though now sepia has got aversion for sex, Platina has got nymphomania. Nymphomania बोले तो she talks about sex, she thinks about sex, she dreams about sex. She has got a great desire for sex, great desire for sex. And now, whenever a person tries to have sexual encounter with a man, tries to enter her, there is a sudden vaginal spasmodic contraction of the vaginal muscles, and it is so painful that still if it tries to penetrate, still if it tries to have sex, she can faint. She can faint. That becomes so because of the vaginismus. Now remember, the mentals of sepia and platina differ here. Sepia is having inferiority complex, whereas platina is having superiority complex. Sepia looks down on herself, platina looks down on others. Sepia has got absolutely no desire for sex, or there's an aversion for sex in sepia. Platina has got desire for sex but still cannot have sex because of the vaginismus. Now, why this vaginismus? Now, here comes again the mental, where because of the superiority complex, she feels the person who is having sex with her is not up to the mark, or his his genitals are dirty, or whatever it is. There is a superiority complex, and that dirty thing is going to enter me. So the body refuses to have the sexual penetration, and then there's a vaginismus. Now here, why I'm telling you all these things in such a detail? is, yes, there are few platinas who say that the sex is very painful, and then if you try to find out from these three remedies, you can easily differentiate where, because of the contracted symptoms, the ignitia patient does not enjoy sex. Because of dryness of the vagina, the sepia has got painful sexual it is not a pleasure but a pain. And then in platina, it is vaginismus, the vaginal uh, painful spasmodic contraction of the vaginal muscles, which prevents the the intercourse. So here again, the mind is playing a very important part, where because of superiority complex, she just does not want any penetration in her. And apart from this, suddenly there's a pseudo pregnancy also. She can feel her abdomen is growing larger and larger. She can feel the abdomen growing larger and larger. Now, she has avoided going through a sexual encounter, but still she feels that there's a live animal in the abdomen. She feels there's a live baby in the abdomen without having sex. So there also is a superiority complex. She feels, why not? I don't need a man to have baby. I can have baby on my own. And this type of feeling can turn into a pseudo pregnancy. And this pseudo pregnancy is one of the virtues of sepia. I'm sorry, of platina, where platina, without sexual encounter, she feels she is pregnant. Now, this is again a very peculiar complaint of platina, where you there are a lot of complaints in platina, but I'm just explaining you clinically how you are going to find platina in your own practice also. Whenever you practice, and the moment a platina walks in, you may be able to identify her, because the way she walks, the way she talks, way her confidence level is, and the way she'll ask you some questions, and she'll try to cross-examine you also. So here you can make out, well, ये बहुत खुद को शानी समझती है. शानी तो होती ही है वो, मगर वो शानी समझती भी है. And here we have got a different platina. So, but platina has got its own limitations in prescribing. That's why it's quite a small drug, but a very important one. Whereas if you talk about the traveler's constipation is concerned, and I have told you what is a traveler's constipation, that is again because of the mind, and I'm opening up the windows for question and answers.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good afternoon, good afternoon.
Yeah. Sorry, good afternoon. Sorry. Sir, one look of the platina is like a tomboy.
Sorry?
The look of the platina is like a tomboy, right?
The look of her?
Platina is like a tomboy.
But she can, I mean, not necessary, but she can be a tomboy because she does not want to be identified as one of the girls. She wants to
Right.
show that
So,
she's something different.
Different. But some women we see, they dress up so nicely, they put on jewelry, which they belongs to real rich family.
Yeah.
Yeah, but some females, they dress up with the jewelry and the clothes and all that, which are they are not from a rich family. So they are also platina ladies?
Not necessary, madam. See, platina is basically a state of mind. The state of mind is superiority complex. They try to show you how inferior you are. They try to show you how inferior you are. It is not basically dressing up or even.
No. I mean to say, if they are belong to some rich family, they afford and they are.
Like,
The
not
quality they have.
Every rich woman is platina. No, not necessary.
Bas. Means,
it is the
means
behavioral pattern. That is very important.
Platina is always makes other inferior, right, sir?
That's right. She tries to show also how superior she is, and rest of the people are how inferior they are. She does not.
Means, sir, That's a both the way I want to ask. Means they show they are superior, and other hand they make other also inferior.
Not necessarily that they are superior. There is a superiority complex.
Okay, only complex they
Their
have.
complex is there. It is not necessarily superior. They feel. It is their feeling. उनका feeling है वो. कि rest of the people are third class and I am first class. वो उनका
Okay.
feeling है. So, for example, so many people like even in Maharashtra, Bal Gangadhar Tilak was there, Sani Guruji was there. So many intellectuals were born, but they never showed that they are intellectuals. They were basically intellectuals. But they never showed others are third class and I am first class. They tried to understand what is the crux of the society, what is the problem of the society. तो ये प्लैटिना जो है, she feels she is from some other planet. She feels that ये लोगों को कुछ समझता ही नहीं है, मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ.
And sir, their argument are the logical argument or they are the bakwas arguments?
No logic in that. It is their
No
complex.
logic, na?
It is only complex. They have the superiority complex.
No, but the way they talk, the way they debate.
Yeah.
So they have that logical thinking, intellectual thinking, or just
They
like
are not idiots. They are not idiots. They are not idiots. But
they are not idiots.
Basically, they try to show how superior they are. They try to show how much knowledge they are having. They show.
But do they have that knowledge?
No, there are so many. There's a nice saying in Marathi. Sadi Rani ni Uch Vichar Sarni. It is there. A lot of people are there. They're much superior in knowledge to others, but they never show off.
Okay.
Platina is the
So there is
shows.
Same
Yes.
like Veritramol ना Veritramol show off बहुत करता है, थोड़ा है लेकिन बहुत show off दे देता है वो.
कौन?
Veritramol.
Veratrum album na. Veratrum album, all three. I'll come to Veratrum album also. Veratrum album is having all three manias. The nymphomania, there's a religious mania, and then there's this muttering. I mean, what क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Loquacious mania. So that's why Veratrum album, I look at it as a dual personality. Veratrum album, what जो हम बोलते हैं ना, bipolar personality, or also known as what is the right word for that? Schizophrenia. So Veratrum album is a typical remedy where suddenly you will find him क्या करता है और next day उनको पता चलता है इसने मर्डर किया है. So ये जो है ना, extreme bipolar personality, you have it in Veratrum album.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Right.
So there is one Marathi serial is going on Star Pravaha, Ranga Maza Vegda. In that, the leading actress Harshada Khanvilkar is playing the role of Saundarya. I think she behaves like a Platina.
Does she? I am not a TV fan, but nice, Dr. Mugdha. You are seeing a serial which मैंने जो बोला है आपको, that is resembling some character in a TV serial. Not bad.
So it's the easy way to learn.
Huh?
Sir, in that it's shown. Sir, in that it's shown that she is very beautiful and she has pride of being beautiful.
Sir,
She hates people who are not fair and beautiful.
Achha. Might be. I don't know. I'm not a serial watcher. TV देखना हो तो मैं 2 मिनट में मुझे नींद आ जाती है. Sorry, I have not seen it. Yeah. Yes, Dr. Shraddha.
Sir,
आपको बात करनी है कुछ?
so when I give lecture,
Haji? Haji?
when I give lecture sometimes and when I have to explain Platina.
Yeah.
So can you hear me?
I can hear you. Loudly, please. Whenever you explain Platina, yes?
So when I explain Platina, कभी
कुछ म्यूजिक नहीं सुनने को आ रहा है
I
मुझे।
usually give example
आपका
of
आवाज का
Sri
म्यूजिक
Devi
ज्यादा आ
from
रहा है।
Ladla.
आपका आवाज कम और म्यूजिक ज्यादा आ रहा है। So shall I take a leave? बंद करूं? हेलो।
ओके सर,
Okay, bye.
बाय बाय.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.